Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Love this one. Love this one, especially for those of you who want a little bit of spice, a little bit of color, but you don't want to fully commit. This is it for you. This is our hair. The hair is by Nadula. Let's go ahead and get it out the packet. Ooh, it's a very lightweight but also very full. Ooh, wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, some quick things about the hair. It comes fully plugged, so you don't have to do any plugging or messing up your lace. Second thing is, it's already cut and styled for you. It comes as a middle part, but you can always do a side part or whatever part you want to do. It's also bleached, so you can barely see the knots. So for those of you who are beginners, you want to start wearing wigs, or you already wear wigs but just don't know what to do, literally you can take it out of the box, put it on, and it's good to go. But I'm going to show you guys a few things, like I always do, on how to really style it and make it your own. Okay, it comes with a skinny band. The second good thing about this is it also has the drawstring, so you can make your hair tighter, you can make it looser, and you can wear it in a ponytail, like a semi-high ponytail from the back. The third security here is the big comb that you can just hook to your hair when you bunch your hair up in the back. With this, and this, your wig ain't going nowhere. I promise you that. So anyway, let's go ahead and put this on so we can style it. I have my makeup brush, my makeup. Let's go ahead and get this thing ready. Shameless plug, I wanted to let you all know that we are back fully restocked with our shower cap bonnets. These are bonnets, but they're also shower caps. As you can see, they're very fashionable. They fit any head, and also they're stylish, and you can walk around the house with them or run to the quick grocery store with them. But not only is it a fashionable, stylish bonnet, it's also a shower cap. You can stand directly under the water in the shower and your hair will never get wet. It keeps the moisture and the water completely out of your hair. Whatever your hairstyle is, if you want to protect it but you also want to take a shower, you can stand directly underneath the water and you can come out with your hair untouched. Check out the description box and grab you one of these. We are fully restocked. Let's get into the video. For those of you who are just watching my video for the first time, I do this to match my skin tone. This is the best, most effective way that I have found to make the hair match my skin tone. It's already bleached for you, but everybody has different shade, right? We all come in different shades. So I think the best thing to do is to use your foundation, because that's the foundation that matches your skin tone. And guess what? You don't have to do this all the time, y'all. You do this once. Like the way I'm taking the hair out of the box now, after I do this, I don't have to do it every time I put my wig on. Unless the front hair has accumulated a lot of dirt, grease, and debris, then I'll wash my hair and then reapply the foundation. But usually I only do this once and then get a lot of wear out of my hair and then worry about having to do it again, okay? You don't want to put too much foundation on your brush because it's going to seep through the hair and then you're going to have this like blob of foundation on your lace. You just want to put a little bit of foundation and then do light brushes like this, and then if you need more, you can go back and do more. This is what our hair looks like. Now you can see it matches my complexion. Let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, I have a mirror here, y'all. I'm looking at the mirror. Wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. Ooh, the color, I love that color. Should I do a middle part or a side part? I just had a middle part. All right, before I forget, this is Yaki, okay? This is the texture of your natural hair if you were to blow dry it or flat iron it. This is completely glueless. You can wear this wig as a completely glueless wig. See that? There's no glue and it's just sitting there like that. I haven't even done anything to it. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it a little bit to get a lot of that kink out. This is what the back looks like. It fits really nicely. Look at that. Fits really nicely. And then now I'm going to pull the drawstring to make it tight, right? Now it's really tight. Then I take it and put it underneath. You can see that the hair is super full, but it's not wiggy. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. Okay, so I have my flat iron here. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. I'm using a brush because I can't find my comb. This is what the hair looks like for now. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of life. right, so I'm gonna let the baby hairs do their thing, and I think I want to put just a few curls in the hair, a few waves. I want to show you guys that this hair actually curls, okay? Okay, let's take the scarf off. Wow. Okay, yes. Look at that. I'm gonna comb through these curls just to give them that wavy look. Wow. This is so pretty. Okay. This side versus this side. Which one should we do? Should we go straight or curly? I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the texture. I love the lightweightness. And I love the fact that it comes already pre-everything. All you literally do is take it out and put it on. But if you wanted to add a little bit of curls like I did here, you can do that as well. Yes. Look at this. Look at the volume. Look at the volume that this hair has. Like I said, it's really full. You can do tighter curls, looser curls. You can do the curling rods, curling wand. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And the best part is that it's not that silky type hair. It's more of a natural hair. It mimics your natural hair. So yeah, this is very, very pretty. All right, y'all, don't forget to check out the description box for all of the details on this hair. And also don't forget to use my discount code to help you purchase the hair. Thank you once again to Nadula's Hair for sponsoring today's video. Bye.